My name is Music Phil. I've been in the business for decades now, from record shop to radio disc jock. We are at Willis That Roof, and this is Yard Style Live presents. Yard Style Live presents is sponsored by Willis That Roof, Oasis in the City.
Willis That Roof, Kingston, Jamaica. Willis That Roof, Kingston, Jamaica.
This week's performance is Turbulence and the Hyatt family, which includes Natty Paul, Detector, and Sonny Trad.
You don't see it. Kick it and squeeze it. Digital one, are you send that one your road? Big director them in the place, you know. Cockatoo, no. Mama, I miss you deeply.
Junior Bass.
Whoa, whoa, yeah. You are my heart and soul. And me not tell no lie. Mash up completely. Whoa, whoa. Depression takes control. You know it's hard to say goodbye. Why did you have to die? Heavens hear me cry. And it's a goddamn lie when they say it gets easier. Tears fall from my eyes. Why did you have to die? Heavens hear me cry, yeah. And it's a goddamn lie. Yo, me say me born like a baby when me mother drop out. Then 3 years later, sister set the same road. Who feels it knows what I'm talking about. How you think a mama feel when a murderer slit her daughter throat? And last year me talk to me G. Hot lead, send him to the cemetery. And disappear in your heart, that a cup of tea. Total misery, it's hard to say goodbye. Why did you have to die? Heavens hear me cry. Hey mama be the one I reach out to you though. Tears roll from my eyes. Why did you have to die? I can't forget you if I try. Pull out. Give me something else, yeah.
No,
man.
Turbulence with that song, yeah. The Ayachad family with a new energy and a Rasta vibration, plus with the energy and vibration again from Turbulence, sky's the limit.
Talk loud, man.
All right, cool.
What do you when name Detector there? Music Phil, with the eye permission. Who want to get the Christian?
Consider it
The
done.
Christian man. You know, we love him Jesus. A chance.
I years, I know him, you know. I know him before him I detect. I know him before him I select. And the girl them there reject. Until him say, you what? Me I got name? Detect. Ready?
A Music Phil like a show. Jolly. Anything Detector say the same thing go. I don't know night now. Jolly. You hear me? All I know say them get them out feet. Food make me hear them say Jolly. Cause some man get them out and have to choose a different things on there in the star. Burn me, you know. Saying, a bag of things are going in them belly, but them don't know. Yeah, I hear me, man. But let's clean up them behavior there, you know. And I hurt all on the cell phone and nothing. No. Saying, yeah, hear me? That one your name, nothing. Nothing. No, nothing. That one your name, nothing. From its abomination to God, something. That one your name, nothing. No, nothing. That one your name, nothing. From its abomination to God, something. Don't use your mouth, do nothing rude. Nothing figure in your mouth if I no food. It will mash up like a dry rotten shoes. See, there's a
Detector. Youth. I years me know, you know.
go on a film.
Respect your child, you know.
All up on years.
And then they say you're mad, you know. But guess what? We happy on them one.
Sad.
Ready, let's go.
Man, you know, sir. That's something I want in your mouth, you know. A food for going night. You hear me? That one your name, nothing. No, nothing. I want your name nothing. From its abomination to God something, something. That one your name nothing, nothing. No, 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 nothing, nothing. That one your name nothing. From its abomination to God something, something. Don't use your mouth, do nothing rude. Nothing enough to go in your mouth if I no food. It mash up like a dry rotten shoes. Teeth them drop out and I find excuse. Don't use your mouth, do nothing lean. Bedroom, no fear, no ice cream. No eating product, no whipped cream. You can't move like a human being. Ease off.
Detector.
Surely.
Ready again, you know?
Anything detector say, I see him say go. They don't know it now. They don't know it.
The next
Surely. Give me the same track.
Surely.
You hear me? Ease up. Someone feel like say. Someone trick themselves, you know. Can you someone tell themselves, say, you say, me not put bad word in that song, yeah. It can't nice. It can't connect. Wrong mindset, brother. See me, I say? Saying? Yeah, I'm running here, sir. Some of them people, you know, it's like they need a whole toilet for their mouth, brother. Some things that come out of the mouth, they are telling us, brother. You hear me? I coward speaking decent for build confidence. And the word I got me use and build up myself when them are speaking decent for proof say them mad. One thing them proof say them are the biggest coward. Coward walk and tell life for build confidence. And the word I got me use and build up myself when them are walk and tell life for proof say them mad. One thing them proof say them are the biggest coward. In righteousness I shall be established. Come with peace and love me say them are don't load malice. I am far from oppression. This is spiritual things don't tell me about use no discretion. God shall shoot at my enemies with an arrow, and suddenly shall they be wounded. And them say plant always shoot when it's wounded. Say no weapon that farm against me shall prosper.
Say old MacDonald had a farm.
Oh,
Oh no, on that farm he had some cows. But the people them yam off the cow, yam off the goat, yam off the chicken, yam off the pork. Old MacDonald had a farm. Me said that one your name run cow, run pig, run for your life. See the cannibal there, you come with the knife. Run cow, run pig, run for you. And them must say your flesh nice. And me the cow ball murder. Hey turbulence and make them take it no further. One bust me throat and put me down in a burger. All the pig them want turn in a frankfurter. Hear the goat ball say Lord, them a worry me. All of them a hunt me down. He go curry me. In a them manish water, them want story me.
one more, you know?
Yeah,
You take time, you know?
Yo.
You don't know the music, we're going to show Yard Style Life. But we are
Yeah, man, Yard Style Life, man. You hear me?
Willie start true for day. You see me?
Surely. I
Surely.
feel like a show now.
One more, you know?
Surely.
All right, ready?
Everything detectors you see him say go.
All right.
Yeah, man. You have some man see the people, them nice girl picking in a table. Yo, come here. That not right, bro. So me I say, you can't see woman on the table. Yo, come here. You can't talk. You think I can call in the Prime Minister daughter, so? Or the Governor General daughter, so? You mad? Boy, yo, come here. Yeah, you me run the rhythm here, sir. I say, look, man. I don't sound a look, man, brother. Nah, man, give me back the same rhythm, brother, man. Yeah, call in people, girl, pick me like that style. See? This one is not princess. You ever look for her? You see the way how you look, you keep me wondering, wondering, day and night.
All right, Turbulence, the man with so many albums. I can't wait to see what the Ayatrad family will bring to the world.
Yard Style Life. I'm
Yeah,
coming at you. It's Sunny Chat from Channel Mighty Camp.
I'm here for big up my team. Big up DJ Spoogie SK. You know what the team
Big up
that-
DJ Spoogie.
You see,
This
SK,
track.
big up. You don't know it go. Where is the song name again?
Tough times.
Tough Times. Just like that.
Yeah.
Got the time tough.
Yeah.
So we get tougher. Ready?
Unleash. Man, I hold the fast now, such task to pass now. Now go give up right now, now go give up life now. Tell them judge this now, them better judge this now. I see them instigating justice, but tough times never last. Tough people do. Embrace Rastafari, he will see you through. I see some loss in the things they do. Tough times never last. Tough people do. Never fail to try, my people follow through. I see some loss in the things they do. Are the youths them time now? Future time now, burn all carnal mind now, burn all bad mind now. Man find them guilty now, find them filthy now. Tell them frantically now, the wicked man them sorry now. Them do the wrong and now the whole of them are worry now. I can burn them up like now, burn them up like oh. Sweep them up and burn them up, missing and them in a allow. Can't afford my people to bow. Tough times never last. Tough people bull. Only I King Selassie Ja Rastafari. Big up Fusion Camp in the house.
Oh, you mean
MOC.
Next track I want now.
Marathon Aldino.
Ready? You get that swaggy? Cause you don't know, the music feel reggae show, Yard Style Live, Pick up yourself.
Strong might in buckle. It's Yard Style Life.
So,
and it's
hold on, before we play that song, what the item did there? Wanna good? What's new? What's popping?
just making music, In the
know.
studio making music.
All right, I don't have whole heap of new things,
Woo!
You see, me have my own radio show now,
You see it.
So I have whole heap of time. I have scallion, garlic, tomato, all of them something
Fruits
there.
and vegetables.
Yeah, because when I do over one part, I only time alone me drop in the pot. Now me have all of the ingredients. You see me?
Ja.
Yeah, and we are at Willie's That Roof, Oasis in the city. You saw the place pretty? All right, ready?
Yard Style Life. Music Phil. It's I, Senator representing. I'm communicating with Stature. Woo! Shaka Soul and never Saul, Turbulence, big up yourself, big up brother. Yeah, we represent for the music. Yard Style Life. Run out and say marathon, not talk Farrakhan. Tell the president man not talk Joe Biden. Tell Makachi man not talk Fantan. Who them come a Bantan, big up Burro Bantan. Tell the demons man not talk Tommy Lee. Tell the martial arts man not talk Bruce Lee. Tell the Gargan man not talk Interman. It's just reality, not talk Shabba Ranks. It's on the trad and the microphone. Style well stink it not like alone. Tell the pagan leave my life alone. Take off on a soul like a NASA Joe. Sonny trad still a bun down row. Congo bongo with a Shweko. US and Euro, British pound, Cayman dollars. Mr. Maxine, not talk Maccabee. Phone go pan busy but pull up. Only man where I last year. Ja Rastafari.
Up to the time.
2 months and to fight,
You're not just like that.
I will pray for you. For these words to done my wishes. See you always down. Always digging ditches. Man, woman and child. The magic mayor and the witches. Life is full of ups and downs, twist and turn and the glitches. No, I'm telling you, compelling you, the yelling you, was spelling you, it's not you. You have been instigated. Telling you, compelling you, the yelling you, was spelling you, it's not you. You have been instigated. Telling you, compelling you, the yelling you, was spelling you, it's not you. You have been
searching for a better way, searching for a brighter day. Yeah, go like you know your bed fast. Searching for a better way, searching for a brighter day. Hear me now, hey, Rasta no stop the fighting. Too much blood a run, put on no gun. Judgment a come off and make a better place for our daughter and my son. Blood be done. Uniting, pull out. Yeah, man, give thanks and praise again for the past show,
Every time.
Thank you very much. Blessed is the man, woman, and child that walketh not in the counsel of the ungodly, nor standeth in the ways of sinners. Now sitteth in the seat of the scornful, his delight is in the law of the Lord, in that we meditate day and night. Well, Emmanuel, King Selassie,
Ja
Rastafari. Can I get one more?
You can't get all a dozen.
I wish for my artist then. Come do that one you send that you to your road, you know. Yeah, man, the man publishing and the man writers thing. Get big, you know. Oh. Get the kettle ready with the fundede. Chanting songs of redemption run the pagan way. If Africa where civilization began, black of the brand, then what a silly question, eh, Rastaman. Tapping out of Babylon boots, yeah, man. Have you all a fresh up the river Jordan? Get the reparation, the repatriation. Back to the mama land, Trad Almighty. Let me tell you where I'm from. Let me tell you where I belong. I know Peru, I know Nauru. Africa man coming real soon. After man no trust Babylon. They are in the West for too long. Introducing to the world on the Yard Style Live. Sonny Tron!
Mama Africa, tell Louis she's the cradle of life. Always keep progressing life. Forget their mind, they young that. Don't make them distracting life. I teach them both life. Justice, come with equal rights. Speak the truth and come together. We must all unite. Wanna be there in life. Got to be there in life. So sincere in life. Ethiopia greater life. Locks get longer in life. Man, I get stronger in life. Man, I burn all longer in life.
Let me tell you where I'm from. Let me tell you where I belong. I know Peru, I know Nauru. Africa man coming real soon. After me no trust Babylon. They are in the West for too long. Let me tell you, I know Peru, Africa will coming real soon. Wanna better stop, keep Ethiopia waiting. Prince and princesses, every man to his own origin. Me have to hail the king, and I will follow you wherever you go. I will never let you go, and I will follow you wherever you go. And never. Now the bug of them murder Gaddafi, then them plan a coup. Then the whole continent find out of you. Them nah unite no nation, them just a brute. Who better tell the black children the truth. And this a government never meant to govern. All them come with a manipulation.
Advocate to Satan. Tell them Africa is the black slave in Barack.
Let me tell you where I'm from. Let me tell you where I belong. I know Peru, I know Nauru. Africa me coming around. After me not just Babylon. Pull out. Don't breathe there.
Yeah.
One more.
Anything you say.
One more.
Not talk too loud.
Come here, boss my artist them, you know. Cause when me get old, them have to pay me like a pension them.
Which is right.
So, we have a liar in the house. Remember, say him come introduce himself already. Him say him name new type of old boy. Look how him dress. He not just like no old man neither. See me I say, and do everything.
Dr. Code.
And him a liar. A long time him a par, about 20 odd years we are par.
Definitely.
Different liar. So here we say write a tune ball line.
Right now, the whole way I do that song. Yeah. So, you saw me do like this. Want you all say lie. Kick it there. No, laugh. Not the Paul representing. Me lie in a season, lie out of season.
Lie for
a reason, for no reason. Say for the year tell lie. When they do like say lie. Alright? How me say lie, me no born July. Me tell a bag of lie, but me still not satisfied. The way how me lie, me just can't get no lie. The way how me lie. Alright, cartel broke out of jail.
Lie.
Uju Bantan not get no bail.
Lie.
On the cow, you find the pigtail.
A lie.
The fastest runner Chris Gale.
A lie.
But Marley come check me last night.
A lie.
See me wonder get back in my side.
A lie.
Want me dolly gone back, gone fight.
A lie.
Super Cat sing, give me the light.
Me love to see when girl a tic-tac, so tell tic-tac fi fix that. Or a gunshot, I go flick out a chip. Transvestite, I go run out a flip-flop. Pull up! Come on, lion, where do?
Come with it.
Second verse, who are here? I hear the second verse.
Watch out now. Again.
Oh,
Mr. Lion, me no want July. Tell a bag a lie. Watch out. Mr. Lion, me no want July. Tell a bag a lie.
second verse, no man. Do we owe me like me just can't get no blind?
Do we owe me like me just can't tell broke out of jail?
Lie,
Buju Banton not get no bail.
lie,
From the cow you find the pigtail.
lie,
The fastest runner Chris Gale.
a lie,
Bob Marley come check me last night.
a lie,
Stevie Wonder get back in my side.
a lie,
Mohamed Ali gone back, gone five.
a lie,
Super Cat sing, give me the lie.
a lie,
Portia Simpson turn labor right.
a lie,
See a dead man in a casket a cry.
a lie,
Two dogs just sell me some five.
a lie.
See a bull on a birthday a fry.
Me
You
love
not
to
go
see
make
when
it.
girl a tic-tac, so tell tic-tac we fix that. Or a gunshot, I go flick out a chip clock. Transvestite, I go run out a flip-flop. Lick out that, boy them well up scat. When me hold on, be a budoof, biff baff, lick a riff-raff.
She want me round ya, I'm her owner. I'm gonna give it to the signal. I tell her
I owner.
I see it over the accelerator
To the brother.
I'm gonna give my order. Oh, yeah, she love the
Saga.
Tell her friend Marva.
Marva come over.
She want to date me, want to take me to the
Theater.
Me tell her no, she a go pay the roll hater. She want me know she just cannot pay till later.
Sizzler grow me and show me the pattern. How me fi mingle with Satan. If me ever take off the pants and say me ready girl, my penis nasty. Strictly Eve to Adam, Mr. to Madam. We are gonna fall like Saddam. A turbulence a spitfire, still me no drink dragon. Not climb on no boy wagon. Secondly, my mouth a no toilet tissue. Hey girl, don't make me this yo. Some boy a them wanna because when your girl do it, she turn round and kiss you. Nah, I'm no she fi Gucci, tell Poochie fi chill. The Louis V booty make them root fi kill. Versace make them last without a clue. Red bottom make fi them black and blue. Your best friend on your best wool.
Holy I King Selassie, ja. Rastafari.
Touch some mute.
Ganja. Faith move mountain, blessing and counting. Smoke up a chalice, drink the water from the fountain. Knowledge is golden, some brave and some golden. The marijuana and the smoke keep on told them. Faith move mountain, blessing and counting. Smoke up a chalice, drink the water from the fountain. Knowledge is golden, some brave and
Give them verse.
Why I King Selassie?
Give them verse.
Them fin know from the Rastaman them coming at the club. Marijuana fi
Burn in the club.
No gun and no knife can't
Come in the club.
a sickly man and no man over dub. Oh, man a bun marijuana from a little toddler. Bun it in a whistler, bun it in a chalwa. Tell the policeman say fi left the ganja farmer. Tell the policeman say go look for child molester. Ah.
Wanna start reading? Come again. Big up my selector friend.
Rastafari.
Spooky. Real General 19. Whoa! Ooh!
I and your family unleash.
Let me tell you about turbulence. Then after we no start, no one itch and no quitter. Them marijuana in my brain and roots wine and me liquor. Them sicker, lyrics that them face rich bitter. If you no things you me dumb, then your end and go bitter. In my turban and me rope, no felt come, no skipper. Turbulence are getting fat, no so me get thicker. Faster, well quicker, well the bush well thicker. I'm not cold in my pipe and strictly indica. And my in my bed, strictly Erica. From America, pick up me girl in the silica. Man, me have a video from the beta. Matting, can't like me, name predator. The man editor, what would them go do so far? You remember that tune, yeah? Hey, you not get your if you ready, you get your if you palm. Me go on this kettle with one but in yam. Big man, when me say you get jam, ram vagina. Someone a body the man, but no man can do this bam. And I mean, you know.
Turbulence has toured extensively worldwide, so he's bringing new artists from his camp to the forefront.
Allah! Dead for the boy, them was spooky. Run out Sharon, then they moving Loki. With them kind of living there, please excuse me. Me not play with man, not him the game a loady. Not see no boy a road and tell them moody. Nah, take the bus, too crowdy. Only when me take it up, me pack up a lady. Nah, la!
Me go tell them this a one bubble, never switch with big deal. One bubble man will never bow, will never kneel. How this a bubble, you're so real, cause without a meal, me still a yell the man, me bust this ever seal. One bubble, them can't conceal. You can't freak me out, go tell Camille, yell the Dan bubble.
Holy Manuel, I King Selassie, ja.
She coulda pretty like Mariah. Can't send me round no poke fire. You can't tell me if you jump and me say higher. If the devil tell you send me weak and soft, let me tell you this, the devil is a liar. Rumors, say Rasta stop on fire. Kerosene me gasoline and tire. Boy can't me telling the umpire. Now go tell me soul, go tell the buyer what? Beat them fasting and prayer. Girl licking at the bullet a vampire. Rasta outside and them a dread inside. You're dead inside. Burn them up in the campfire. And you say fashion over Rasta. Then you say flipping in pasta. Wire. And I'm your beef in a pasta. Wire. Give them Oscar, them a actor. One bubble. One more time before we move. I want to give a microphone to.
Afar, it's I.
Music filler, you give a microphone. You're not going to tonight. How you deal, man? After me sing some song, I'm in Chang P. Gideon. I listen last year. All out born pedophile, you're tune this. Alright then, put them in a lake of fire. Stand here and watch them burn up. Burn up. All when them a ball and a beg, that is when the fire turn up. Them can't escape. With the little girl you rape and kill. Man I go your rat will. Cause them a big man a want rape like a picnic. I want man fi chill, dirty raper boy. Gonna be a greater joy since you no shame. Gonna be a literal fire and tire fi ignite the flame. Raper boy, gonna be a greater joy since you no shame. Hold on before tear forward. I'm gonna one fire and go down.
This is Music Phil, and this has been Yard Style Live presents.